In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to clear cookies with Firefox. This is a simple yet essential process for maintaining your browser's performance and your online privacy. Let's dive right in. First, click the menu button, which is represented by three horizontal lines in the top right corner of your Firefox window. This button serves as the gateway to various options and settings within the browser. When you click this button, a drop-down menu will appear, showcasing several choices. This step is crucial as it initiates the process of accessing your settings. You will see options for new tabs, bookmarks, and more. This makes it easier to navigate to where you need to go. Next, select Settings from the drop-down menu. This action will take you to the Preferences page where you can customize your browsing experience. The Settings page contains various categories allowing you to adjust features to your liking. It's important to know where to find these settings as they control how Firefox interacts with websites. Once on the settings page, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout. This will make your navigation smoother. Now look for the privacy and security option on the left side of the settings page. Click on it to access the privacy settings for your browser. This section includes valuable tools for managing your data and security preferences. Understanding this area is vital, as it allows you to control how Firefox handles your online information. After clicking, you will see various options related to your privacy settings. Scroll down to the Cookies and Site Data section. Here, you will find all the options related to cookies stored on your browser. This section is especially important because cookies can affect your browsing experience, including login sessions and site preferences. As you scroll, take note of the information presented here. It gives you insight into what data Firefox is storing. Click on Clear Data to begin the process of removing cookies. A new dialog box will appear, giving you options to choose what data you want to clear. This step is significant because it lets you decide if you want to remove just cookies or other site data as well. Once you click this, you are one step closer to a cleaner browsing experience. In the dialog box, check the box next to Cookies and Site Data. This selection ensures that only cookies are cleared, preserving your other browsing data if you choose. This action is crucial as it prevents the loss of your saved logins and website preferences, which can save you time later. Once selected, you will be ready to proceed. Next, click Clear to finalize the process. With this, Firefox will remove the selected data from your browser. You may see a confirmation message indicating that the cookies have been successfully cleared. This step is essential for enhancing your privacy and freeing up space in your browser. To clear cookies for just one website, go back to the Privacy and Security settings. Under the Cookies and Site Data section, click on Manage Data. This option allows you to have more control over specific websites rather than clearing all cookies. This is a handy feature if you want to keep certain cookies while removing others. Search for the website from which you want to clear cookies. This step allows you to narrow down your options, making it easier to find the specific site. Once you locate it, select the website and click Remove Selected. This action focuses the clearing process on that particular site alone. Finally, click Save Changes to ensure your modifications are applied. This step confirms that you want to keep your preferences intact while removing unwanted data. It is essential to remember that clearing cookies will sign you out of most websites and may erase site preferences. For a quicker method, you can press Ctrl, Shift, and Delete simultaneously. This shortcut opens a dialog box that allows you to select cookies and site data. Choose a time range to specify which cookies you want to clear. Once you've made your selections, click Clear. This method is efficient for those looking to save time while maintaining their browser's performance. In conclusion, following these steps will help you manage cookies effectively in Firefox, ensuring a smoother and more private browsing experience. Thank you for watching.